Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the Retroflex Final 儿化韵. So in Chinese name we have 儿化韵, so we learn these words. It's called 儿. What is 儿化韵? Sometimes 儿 as a suffix is without any meaning, like this word 花儿. So 花儿, this one, this we are not say 儿. In this situation, 儿 will combine with the formal syllable. It become right like this. Just a formal syllable plus a r. In this situation, we need to pay attention. One thing is, if you say this word 花儿, you need to all in one time, cannot stop like 花儿. Here stretch. So we say 花儿. Okay, now we need to know how to pronounce the 儿化韵. So if the 儿化韵followed by the syllable which end with a, o, u, directly roll your tongue when the sound not finished. For example, if this one, we directly say 花. So when no finish, we just roll our tongue. So 花. And this one, if without is 小鞋. So 鞋, if you want to add so we just roll our tongue before the 鞋 sound finish. So 小鞋儿. The second one is followed by the syllable end with e and u. S. If we write like this, we need to roll our tongue, but if you say e is quite hard, after e you roll your tongue. You can try it. E, so hard. So if end with e and u, we add so open your mouth a little bit. So have some space for our tongue to roll up. So for example, 小鱼. So if we write like this, but when you pronounce, we say 小鱼儿. Look at teacher Sunny. If I directly say 小鱼, the ending pose of my mouth is like this. But so it's quite hard for me to roll my tongue. So I open my mouth a little bit. So like this. 小鱼儿. The third one, if followed by the syllable end with I, a, way, y. So this one, they also end about e. So it's also very hard to roll up your tongue. Or maybe you can try I, so straight. So in this situation, we will not pronounce e sound and add So for example, 小孩. When you spell pinyin, you need to write like this. But when you say it, remember 小孩. So this 孩 we do say 小孩. You can look at teacher Sunny's mouth. 小孩. So in here, my mouth is still open. 小孩. Very good. Okay, now first, if followed by the syllable end with an, wan, yuan. It's about n. So we know pronounce this n sound. Know this one. And directly roll up your tongue. So for example, 没门儿. If you without we say 没门. But with 没门儿. Okay? Number 5. Followed by the syllable which end with in, when, and situation, we know, same as last one, we know pronounce the but we need to follow for example, 小裙儿. So if without only 小裙, but with 小裙儿, 小裙儿. Very good. Okay, number 6. Followed by the syllable which end with on, on, and young. So in this situation, we know pronounce and then directly roll up your tongue. For example, 没空. So if this one, only this one, 没空, 没空. So when you write the pinyin, you need to write like this. But when we pronounce, we know we just like this. 没空, 没空. So after all, you just roll up your tongue. 没空, 没空. Okay, number 7. If follow the syllable end with in, this situation we know pronounce and no just e is quite hard for you to roll up your tongue, so we add for example, 星星. So this one, 星星 and plus 星星. So after e sound finish, you just follow the 星星. Okay, number 8 is very special one. Is follow the syllable 滋 c 思 zhi 吃 shi日. If you do like this, we just no pronounce e sound and direct So for example, 词儿. So if without we say 词 and plus sound, we say 词儿. So it's plus 词儿. Okay, let us how to pronounce this. Do you got it? Okay, we need to pay attention. Not all the words can follow can be the 儿化韵. So we need to know where we can add and why we need to add the sound. So if you do that, we need to know why. So in addition to the some fixed words, still when you use sounds, you need to know first express the affection. For example, 小鱼, small fish. When I say 小鱼, no any emotion, no any feeling, but I say 小鱼儿, you can feel in the words a difference. So like when I say 小鱼儿, I more like it. 小鱼儿, but 小鱼, no feeling. Second, it can express the lesser number or the smaller item in size. For example, 眼儿, it means small hole. 眼儿. The third one is help you to distinguish the meaning of the words. For example, if we say 画, it's a verb, it's like a painting. But if we say 花儿, it's like a picture. Or 眼, eyes. 眼儿, small hole. Okay, this is all about the 儿化韵. Did you got it? If you think today's video is very helpful, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. 再见。